£8 is a lot of money to spend on rolls. So let's go off to Glen Etive.
We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive.
No word of a lie, I've probably had my best rolling sausage that I've ever had in my life for this green welly, so I'm going to get another one and see if it's as good as I remember.
You want to go on the channel? You can tell everyone.
So I get 2 rolling sausage. Do you want to guess how much they were? Bearing in mind, we're in Tyndrum, so we're right out in the sticks. £8 is a lot of money to spend on rolls. They better be good. We'll find out, won't we? I'm going to go and find somewhere to eat them, but it is absolutely lashing it down. There isn't any snow forecast, but it's Scotland, so you never know. I think the last time I've been up this way was when I was a teenager, and I never really appreciated it. Come on guys. If yous go slow, I go slow, your engines are a lot bigger than mine. Do you know what, I think this is a good spot to eat our rolls and sausage. Aye, look at that. Like if you can't enjoy your rolls and sausage looking at that, then there's something wrong with you. Were they worth the £8? And more importantly, do they taste the same as what they did? Nice thick cut of sausage. Do you know what's funny? I keep going back to that thing where when I was on a North Coast 500 and when you see a camper van, you say to yourself, they go to the same place as me, and then it makes you feel as though you need to hurry up. Scotland's a big place and there's loads of places to go and see, so I highly doubt that they're just going to go where I'm going. Right, shut up, Robert, and taste it. The first one was so amazing, I don't want to silly myself now in case this one's crap. Well worth the £8. I'm going to be honest, I think I inhaled that. That in itself is worth the drive up here. But what a place to eat your rolling sausage like this. This is what I'm looking at right now. I do feel lucky to have this on my doorstep. It's crazy. I just don't come and see it enough, but that's got to change. It's actually snowing. What did I tell you? That's Scotland for you. Do you know what? I'm going to try and wait a minute and see if we can get time to see if the weather stops. So we will be turning up here to go down Glen Etive. Would be amazing if we could get some drone shot now. The sky is clearing up a bit. All the clouds are moving away from the mountain as though it's wanting me to take the drone shot. Let's check the weather. It's actually supposed to be stopping right now. I say we go for it. I've drove back a bit just before the bridge. I'm hoping the weather goes off just for a wee bit, just so we can get this drone shot. 5 minutes, just a 5-minute shot. And it does look like it's clearing. We got the drone shot. Oh, I'm so over the moon with that. Do you know how many drone shots I've seen of that mountain, and I've been dying to get one myself? Ticked. Oh, I'm having PTSD about these roads again for the North Coast 500. How stunning that is. Whoa. That was a nice wee spot there with the kayakers were. But the spot we're looking for is up here, so see if we can get it. I'm not seeing anybody there. Nobody's there. Oh, Dobby, please tell me you can get on there, son. Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. Problem is, the underside of my car can't go over stuff like that. There's no much clearance, so I would get beached or I'd rip my fuel tank open. So I think we might need to go back to the kayak place. If I had a 4x4, I'd be all about that. There's no sense in damaging your car over a parking spot. What did I just say? There's no sense in damaging your car for a parking spot. Do you know what? I'm going to drive 5 more minutes. And if I don't see anything, I'm just turning back and we'll just go to the kayak bit. Aye, we'll just go to turn. Sack it. I've came back to the kayaking bit, and to be honest, it's not the best spot for a park up. The other places that I wanted to get, there's no way I'm getting in them, not in Dobby anyway. Unless we were going to be camping in a tent, we're going to need to ditch it. I'll tell you what I have found though. I've found the skyfall picture moment, so we're going to get one. There's people here already, but we'll wait till they leave and then we'll get our picture. Oh, can we do a 3-point turn here? We're going to it's not like a 5-point turn. Right, we have a new heading. We've got another park up to go to. I honestly thought Glen Etive was going to be a straight shot, but clearly not. We adapt and move on. I can't believe the first abandoned place that we're properly going to on the channel is Jimmy Savile's old house. Pretty sure there's a lot I probably can't show you here. Probably going to need to bleep a lot of it out. Yeah, let's get here. This will be my view of the night.